think I was excited about this opportunity because we recently bought a business in April, and the plan is to ultimately exit. So this was a great chance to be able to learn years in advance what it's going to look like.
This workshop looked like it had laid out everything that I needed to sell my business. And so far, it has surpassed my expectations and my assumptions of what this class was about.
I actually had the opportunity to sell a company last year. I would have made more had I taken this course before I sold it. The details, some options I didn't even know existed. Anybody looking to sell a company has to take this course. The ROI on your course fee will be 150 times at least.
I joked with my wife that I may attend only an hour a day, which is what I really intended to do, but I've been to every minute of it and I've learned so much.